To remove this window seal, I'm going to use a plastic trim tool, stick it underneath, try to pry up. As you pry up, it's going to want to slide out. And now right here, there's actually a screw on the inside, so if you open the door, here you have a T20. Remove that, and here's your window seal. Let's install the new one. Take the new one, slide it down into place, and the first thing I want to do is insert this screw. Okay, snug up the screw, and I'm going to line it up on this end first. Press it down and in. Make sure the rest of it lines up. Perfect.